Hi and welcome to CB Clicksale. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can integrate any type of autoresponder to your CB Clicksale account. That's so you can build an active list of buyers who purchase items through your affiliate link. And with that, the ability to earn again and again through upsells, cross-sells and recommendations and so forth, whilst of course providing value to your subscribers. To begin with, you'll need to click on the Post Autoresponder settings link as shown, which is where you can add and amend autoresponders. Next, click on the Add New AR button. Now add a title and description so that you can easily identify it when adding autoresponders to your campaigns. And once done, click Save. Note that the newly added autoresponder has been added to the top of the list. The next thing we need to do is configure it. So select it from the grid, and below that in the Edit Data selection is where we need to add some more info, which is based on certain attributes from your opt-in form code. That's the code that your provider gives you for copying the sign-up form to your website, otherwise known as the subscribe form. As such, let's have a look at an arbitrary example and extract the relevant code. Here you can see the website and below is the HTML code, so let's copy that to Notepad. Now, the first thing we need to do is copy the post URL as shown. Next, I am going to go through each line and extract the value, and if it's a hidden field, the name also. So, for this hidden field, the name is category 2 and its value is subscriber. The next one, the name is category 1 and its value is my shed plans 10. And so forth. For this example there are 7 hidden items, so I'm going to pause and finish those off. And now adding the last hidden item for the field meta forward vase, which has the value 0. Next we are going to add the name of the name field. And finally, the name of the email field. That's basically it. In sum, you need to extract 4 things. 1. The post URL. 2. The name value for the name field. 3. The name value for the email field. And for hidden fields, the name of the field and the value of the field. So let's click Save in order to complete. Noting that should you wish to edit it, you have to select the item from the data grid. Now, let's do another example so that you can get the hang of it. So again, I'm going to grab the form code for the email sign up. And again, create a new autoresponder within the Post Autoresponder settings form. We're first adding a title and description. And next to select it from the data grid in order to apply the additional info. And as before, I'm going to copy the relevant data from the form code which I copied to Notepad. Now extracting the post URL. Next, I'm going to grab the name of the name field. And now the name of the email field. And as you can see, there are only 2 hidden items to add. So for the first one, let's grab the value which is s_add and also its name being ACT. And next, let's grab the value 1 with its name being list ID. So again, to recap, you need the post URL, name of the name field, name of the email field, and for hidden items, the name and value of the fields. And now clicking Save in order to complete. Finally, we can test it. For this example, we have used the form code for a test website, and as such we can log in to see the email capture. So let's enter a name and email and click Submit. Getting there slowly but surely. And now you can see the test has begun. and a few seconds later it is completed. We can now check our autoresponder to see if the email has been captured, as well as checking the inbox for that email for messages sent. And very quickly, here you can see that the name and email has been captured. Before I finish, please note that you should not use form code which needs capture verification, and as such, use the most basic code from your provider. And very briefly, I should point out that there are two other methods available in order to integrate your autoresponder. That being the getData method, whereby CB Clicksale sends the name and email to a script on your website. And lastly, a redirect to an actual opt-in page on your website. These other methods will be discussed in the next video tutorial, which covers how to set up your campaign. On that note, thanks for listening. If you have any questions or need support, please raise a help desk ticket at support.cbclicksale.com or via email to support@cbclicksale.com. On that note, here is to your success.